Chapter 14. Page 159. Reading 2. Here today, gone tomorrow. Tashkent, Uzbekistan. The Aral Sea is shrinking, and no one can stop it. It began getting smaller in the 1960s. At that time, the former Soviet government started a large irrigation project. They used water from the Amu Darya River and the Sir Darya River to irrigate crops. From 1960 to 1990, the area of irrigated land in Central Asia more than doubled. It increased from 3.5 million hectares to 7.5 million hectares. Cotton production also increased. Soon the region was the world's fourth largest cotton producer. Unfortunately, there were some very bad results. With less water, the sea started to become smaller. Within decades, it was 50% smaller. In 1989, the sea divided into two parts. Some former fishing communities are now 100 kilometers or more away from the water. However, it doesn't really matter because there are very few fish. The amount of fresh water going into the Aral is less than 1/10 of the amount in 1950. Because of this, it is now very salty. Most of the native plants and animals cannot live in such salty water. Therefore, only 2 kinds of fish can survive it. There used to be more than 30 kinds. Farmers are also suffering. There is now sand where the lake used to be. The sand blows onto the farms and destroys the soil. So farmers use a lot of insecticides and fertilizers to improve soil and make their crops grow. The climate is also changing. Now the area has shorter, hotter summers with little rain and longer, colder winters with little snow. Therefore, the growing season is shortened. Drinking water is also a problem. The water has a lot of the insecticides and fertilizers from the farms, so it is unsafe for humans and animals. In addition, a lot of the drinking water is very salty. The salt has caused increases in kidney disease, diarrhea, and other serious health problems. In short, a place that used to be a successful farming and fishing area is now becoming an environmental wasteland.